So what does it mean when somebody mentions restoring the iPad to the previous version? So let me explain that as a topic, as a thing. So let me get started. If you are new here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe for more of these explanation videos in the future. So there are two ways how you can kind of like restore the iPad to the previous version. The most common one is restoring it to the previous backup. So for example, you can go to your settings, go to your profile and see your iCloud information. And there are a lot of people who have their iCloud backup enabled. For example, I have this iPad backed up on, like last year. So it's been a while, but, I can see the backup size and see how much stuff has been backed up. So all of those things have been backed up to the iCloud backup to my account, right? And essentially, if I want to restore iPad to that previous version, I could go to the general section, transfer and reset, and completely wipe the iPad clean by clicking the erase all content and settings, and then the iPad would be empty. I would just try to just make it work again, get started. And during the setup process, I would choose to restore from the backup, right? So I would go back to the previous state of the iPad when I made that backup, if it makes sense, right? So that is one way to restore the iPad to the previous version of, the file, content, information, whatever. But then the second part of this is restoring the iPad to the previous version of the operating system. Because part of the settings, general, and a software update, you can see that we always get these software updates. And there are people who updated to the latest one, but really want to come back to the older one. And this is generally much harder and very limited, but there is like a very limited way to do it. If you do it quickly, you can technically back to the older version. So you would need to use you would need to use a computer and download that version from the internet and like restore it through a computer. So it's a bit of a whole process. I'm not going to cover it in this video, but this is also sometimes meant when people say that they are like restoring iPad to previous version, they might mean the iPad OS, the operating system, but this is much less common because, it's much harder and you don't really get it that much for doing that. Like keeping your iPad up to date is generally considered to be better. So let me know what you think. Let me know if I managed to answer that question. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope to see you later in the future videos too.